Hi everyone. I'm making this video to show the current condition of my ladder truck, A1-75. After a large windstorm in May, the storage building where I kept the trucks was damaged. The trucks are okay, but I had to quickly remove them from the property. It wasn't something I was expecting to do. It wasn't a very good experience either. I could make a whole video about what happened, but I'll skip that for now. I had to get my trucks home, and that included having 75 towed by a large tow truck. I called Lidzik Towing from Hawkesbury, and they were pretty good and helped me with the price, which was a lifesaver. I had just spent most of my savings on 77's new carburetor, and like I said, I wasn't planning on this, so I will say it's nice to finally have 75 home. 75 hasn't really been cleaned in 20 years. The previous owner didn't really take care of it, and for about 8 years, and kept her outside in the rain, snow, and sun. Before that, the town left her abandoned for a couple years in the same way. When I finally got 75, the damage was already done. I put her in storage, but the place didn't have power or water, and during the last few years it became pretty much impossible to work on the trucks there. But now that 75 is finally home, I plan to do a lot of work on it. I've been stockpiling parts for years and tools to fix her up. I don't have all the money in the world, not even close, so things may likely take years to finish. This video is to show kind of the before pictures. These videos were taken the day she came home from storage, so it still has the dust and grime all over it. For the last month or so, I was busy trying to get 77 ready for Van Kill Truck Show, but now that it's over, I can finally get back to 75 and 94. I plan on recording every day I can, but the weather is a huge factor, and I have some health issues that get in the way a lot. I really want to upload weekly, but it's been tough. This is also my first time doing voiceover, so I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm reading off a script, or if the audio isn't the best. I have a lot of good videos planned for the channel, and I'm trying really hard to improve the content and gain confidence to record more audio and video. If you have any video ideas for 75 or my other vehicles, please feel free to let me know in the comments. My goal is to build a fire museum in Hawkesbury, or at least the area, but for now I would settle for finding a storage space, especially before winter. The problem is that there aren't a lot of commercial rental spaces available in this area, and certainly not any that I can afford. The storm destroyed and damaged most large buildings in the area too, so there's just nowhere to go. If you're from the area and know about available and affordable space, please let me know. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I'll try my best to upload consistently, and the storm just threw a wrench in everything, but at least we can finally start work on 75, so bye for now.